Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Thank you for tuning in. Today is a quick summary of the latest cryptocurrency prices courtesy of CoinMarketCap. For those not looking at the screen, we've seen an enormous uptick in the overall market over the past 24 hours. Just going to cover some of the key aspects of what you see here at the moment. Focusing on the top cryptos, Bitcoin is back above $10,000. Whether it will hold that or not, to wait and see. Ethereum above $250, XRP on the cusp of going beyond 30 cents. Enormous gains over the past 24 hours throughout the cryptocurrency space. Tezos is up 22.5%. NEM is up 15%. Ethereum and Golem up by approximately 14% over the past day. Going down the list here, VeChain up 13%. Chainlink and BAT and Cardano up by about 11.5% to 12%. Various cryptos that are in the double digits in terms of gains. Beyond these individual cryptos, I want to point out just some other statistics here. Bitcoin's dominance has continued to drop over the past week or so. I'm just going to point out the relevant chart here. So as we can see, it currently sits at, well, it says 63.62, but up here it then says 62.4%. So it is dropping, and it's at its lowest level in about 6 months or so. In spite of this, we're seeing huge volumes throughout the space. In fact, considerably higher volumes than what we saw in that monumental rise towards the end of 2017, early 2018. This is all based on reported volume, as you could imagine, many over-the-counter transactions that aren't accounted for in these data, but nevertheless, it's good to see all this money flowing through the space. 24-hour volume here that's reported on the CoinMarketCap website is $162.6 billion US. That is insane. Now, despite the impressive performance over the past 4 weeks, the market cap went from approximately $217 billion all the way up to just over $300 billion US now. There is still a long way to go in the grand scheme of things. If I zoom out and look at the performance over the past few years, we're still a solid $500 to $600 billion away from eclipsing the all-time high market cap there, which was approaching $1 trillion US if that momentum were to have continued then. But nevertheless, plenty of positive signs ahead throughout the space. What are your thoughts? Will Bitcoin get to 12,000 and gradually creep up? Well, so get up to 15 and hopefully get to a new all-time high by this Bitcoin Block Reward Halving, or will it drop again? I forgot to mention, none of the information here in this video is legal, tax and or financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do you believe these coins will hit new all-time highs in this calendar year, or are there huge drops? Are there major drops in store in the coming weeks? Or are we going to keep on going up? We'll see what happens. You be the judge what you think. I look forward to your feedback. Time will tell if these prices here can be sustained and ongoing growth. Thank you for tuning in. As a side note, before I wrap up, if you're liking this content, subscribe to the channel and smash the bell icon to stay up to date with my latest videos. There's further information here at CoinMarketCap if you want 24/7 info about the latest prices. There is something else that's come to mind that I thought I'd share with you. There is a tool used by financial analysts called the Relative Strength Index, and I haven't sought permission to display this in a chart, but if you just type in RSI, or Relative Strength Index, it looks at price data for various commodities over the past 14 days, usually, and on a scale of 0 to 100, it's a way to indicate whether an asset is overbought or oversold. So that can give you some indication or some insight into whether it's a good time to buy or sell a crypto. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research in regards to that if you're interested. If you found this video useful, or if you want to inform people about the channel, share this video. And if you have your feedback, well, feel free to leave your comments in the comments section. That's a wrap for today. I hope you're all having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. And I'll speak to you soon. More videos to come shortly. See ya.